The smoke is rising, moonlight fades, velvet shadows on the stage. She walks in, eyes like midnight flame. One look and I won't be the same. Every move is pulling me in, like a secret wrapped in sin. She spins around, the crowd's a blur. I need to feel the heat from her. This night belongs to mystery and sound. Her touch lifts me off the ground. Her breath, a whisper in my ear. A spell so sweet, it draws me near. We're moving, moving like the stars align. Trapped in the rhythm, lost in time. She leans close, I feel the spark, glowing bright in all this dark. Lights flash wild, we're out of control. Every heartbeat stealing my soul. This night belongs to mystery and sound. Her touch lifts me off the ground. Her breath, a whisper in my ear. A spell so sweet, it draws